What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we've got a banger. The sky is looking absolutely amazing. Like, look how pretty it looks over there, and then it just gets topped off by the cotton candy look. Okay, look, we're not the Discovery Channel. We talk about Tacoma. So if you like these videos, like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 1 million. You already know the dealio, man. Look, I'm not running from it. I'll be the first to admit, I get it. You guys told me don't do this. I'm at fault. And you were right. I was wrong, you were right. You guys told me not to do this, but I still went out and did it on my own, thinking that I was clever, thinking I was some type of intuitive genius. I signed up for a car wash membership. Unlimited car washes. I was thinking, great, you know how much time I'm gonna save? Wrong. So I've already made a video on this car wash before. The first issue that I had with this car wash is it tried to yank off my door. Now, you know those little spinny things? Yeah, the little spinny things got caught right in here. They got caught right in here. It actually broke this part. Still broken, as you guys can see, and it damaged my truck. Like, it literally broke it. Inside of there is broken pieces. They told me to take it to a shop, but I said no because I don't want more people touching my truck. I don't like it. So that was that, and I was like, okay, that's a really big bummer. But every time after that, it kept getting worse. So after that time, I went back petrified. I was honestly scared of a car wash. As dumb as it sounds, I was scared. So fast forward like 3 or 4 times, right? We go there and we're getting the truck washed and they're not even doing a good job. Like, I'm paying for the top of the line car wash. I'm thinking, okay, I should be getting the best, the wax, the whole 9 yards. Is it 9 yards? Or is it 10 yards? I don't watch football. I don't know why I said that. I thought the truck was gonna be looking absolutely amazing, absolutely perfect, but not the case. It started to get scratched up pretty bad. There are swirl marks everywhere. I don't know if they'll buff out. I don't know how well you guys can see them. Yeah, you can see it right there. All right, this video's over. So I started to realize a lot more swirlies than I would like. I'm just not a fan of the swirliness on the Tacoma. So that's number 2. First, the mirror almost came off. Second, the swirlies. Third, it was really uncomfortable and it felt like it was gonna break something. So I'm in the truck, I'm in the car wash, and it feels like the back is being pushed out one way and the front is being pushed out one way. So it just feels, and this may just be me, but it feels like it's bending the truck. I don't know how true that is, but it just feels that way. The mirror being yanked off, the swirlies, me getting jerked around. It wasn't a pleasant experience. Now, okay, that's 3 things. Those are 4 fingers. But moving on to number 4, I said, okay, as long as we're not scratching the truck, as long as we're not doing damage to the truck, it's fine. Who cares? Swirlies, we'll get rid of them. Still don't know if I can get rid of them, but comment down below. The jerking motion, that one was pretty hard to get rid of. The mirror, freak accident. It happens to all of us. But now the truck is scratched and I'm livid. Is that a lizard? Nope, that's a branch. All right, so on this side, I started to realize it and I was like, that's funny. At first, I thought it was rocks. I thought rocks were being chipped up from here to hit right here. From there to there. That's what I thought. But I was starting to think, like, the angle of this rock to come, bend around, and come here and peel off all of this, something's a little fishy. Right there, you guys can't see it too well just due to the lighting, but it's scratched. And this scratching goes all through here, all right here. We're all scratched up. And it's 100% that same thing that's like pushing me around is the same thing that scratched me up right here. So now I have to take this off, repaint it. That's not a problem. But this sucks. Like, my truck is scratched and I didn't even do it. I don't mind scratching the truck, right? If I'm going off-roading, cool beans, I'm down. That sucks. It's a car wash. So I paid, wow, this video is getting really depressing. I paid someone to scratch my truck. Now get this. So 4 things, 4 reasons to cancel your car wash membership. Should that be the title? Maybe, I don't know. Get this, my 5th reason. Okay, not even 5th reason because I had already made up my mind, but I go to cancel this subscription, right? I pull up to the little spot. I would like to cancel my membership. Oh my gosh, why? Why do you want to cancel? I literally just told her, I was like, it's damaging my truck. Then she gets feisty with me. How is it damaging your truck, sir? I was like, it's messing up my paint. Oh, sure. Everyone makes excuses to get out of their contract. Mind you, okay, I'm sorry that you guys had to look at my finger that close. Mind you, this is the same lady, okay, the same lady that saw my truck almost get yanked out of the car wash. I was a little bit taken back. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, you know what? I just want to cancel the membership. It's not even worth it. And then she was like, sir, we have people that have been coming here for 15 years and not one complaint. So I'm like, maybe there's something wrong with me. Whoa, that's a cool bird. Not to sound conceited or stuck up, but I look in my mirror and I see like a 1996 Corolla. I don't think someone who owns a Corolla that's older than me is gonna complain about their paint. It's just, I don't think they would. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. So she kept going. It seemed like she wanted to get a reaction out of me, but I was like, look, lady, I'm a superstar. If I go off, I'm gonna get canceled. It's not really how I pay my bills, but if you like, comment, and subscribe, share this to your favorite cooking group chat on Facebook. Maybe one day it will be. I'm taking some L's out here so that you don't have to. Don't go to the car wash thingies. Don't do it. Just, look, buddy, take a Saturday, wash your truck. I didn't have swirlies before this car wash, but now I have the swirlies. Does anyone know how to get rid of the swirlies? I'm begging. I'm going to hand wash this thing. From now on, forever. Nonetheless, one last, you were right. I was wrong. We get it. Aang messed up. Okay, buddy, I did it. I messed up. My bad. I'll take the L. But I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, a like, a comment, and a subscription. Let me know some of your horror stories down below in the comment section. Because I am interested. Don't let me be alone in this situation, please. I canceled the membership, so we are back to hand washing the Tacoma. A big hooray on this side of the screen, but nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. It's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Sing tomorrow. Peace. All right. I wanted to do a little bit of a photo shoot, and now there's no more cotton candy sky.